Hello kids, today we are going to solve the book activity of 14th chapter Conserving Our Environment. So let's see इस chapter की book exercise में क्या क्या पूछा गया है हमसे. Okay बच्चों, तो all of you please take page number 106 of your book. Page number 106 of your book. Here is it. Okay, our first question is match the problem to their solution. So let's have a look. First question, land pollution. Our answer is proper disposal of garbage. Second, broken glass disposal. Our answer is recycle. Third, water pollution. Our answer is treating sewage. Fourth, air pollution. Our answer is air filtered in factories. Fifth, fruits rotting at home. Our answer is reduce purchase. Okay, let's come to the next. Our second question is fill in the blanks. First question is everything around us make our environment, make up our dash environment. Second, burning of fuel cause dash pollution. Our answer is air pollution. Drinking polluted water can cause several dash. Our answer is diseases. Fourth, waste paper is dash. Its answer is biodegradable. Fifth question, when you use a plastic bottle to store water in the refrigerator, you are dash the bottle. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Reusing the bottle. Okay. Sixth question is rotting of leaves can produce manure called, our answer is compost. Next question, question number C, answer the following questions. So इनके questions हम अपने वीडियो के लास्ट में देखेंगे, उनके आंसर्स हम अपने वीडियो के लास्ट में देखते हैं चिल्ड्रन. ओके, चलिए अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. दीज आर मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन. लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following is biodegradable? Leather belt, silver foil, iron nail or plastic mug? Our answer is leather belt. Which of these is not human made? House, bridge, mountain or telephone? Our answer is mountain. Which of these natural resources is most affected by increasing fuel consumption? Our answer is air. Saving electricity helps the environment by reducing consumption of water, air, fuel या soil. Our answer is fuel. Which of these will not rot even if left for a long time? Cloth bag, plastic bag, paper bag or leather bag? Our answer is plastic bag. When composting biodegradable waste, which of the following are you doing? Refusing, reducing, reusing or recycling? Okay children, when composting biodegradable waste, we are recycling that. Okay children, तो इस तरह से हमारी MCQ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स ये रहे हैं. अब हम करते हैं आंसर इन क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के. क्या क्या आंसर है? लेट्स हैव अ लुक. Our first question is what are the main causes of air pollution and how can it be reduced? Answer is the burning of fuel in houses, factories, vehicles adds smoke and poisonous substances in the air, causing air pollution. Air pollution can be controlled by reducing the burning of fuel, using filters in factory chimneys to filter out harmful substances, and by afforestation. Our second question, how can water pollution be reduced? Water pollution can be reduced by treating sewage and waste from factories before disposing them in water bodies. Our third question, write 3 ways in which we can contribute to reducing pollution. Our answer is we can help reduce pollution by doing following things. First point, plant a trees for every tree cut down. Second, walk or cycle short distances to save fuel. Third, do not waste electricity, it saves fuel. Our fourth question, explain the difference between biodegradable or non-biodegradable waste. Give 3 examples of each. Biodegradable waste. This waste is obtained from plants and animals such as vegetable and fruits peels, meat and bones, flour, leaves and paper. Biodegradable waste rot and finally mix with the soil. Non-biodegradable waste. This waste that does not rot such as plastic bags, plastic packaging materials, metal can, glass bottle and broken glass pieces. Our fifth question is how can refusing result in reduction of garbage? Refuse things that add to garbage. For example, when you go to shopping and take your own cloth bag and refuse the plastic bags given by the shopkeeper. Our sixth question, give 2 examples of reuse. Answer is waste can be reduced by reusing things instead of throwing them away, for example plastic bottles and plastic bags. Our seventh question, how should waste like metals and glass pieces of disposed of? Metal and glass pieces are melted in factories and made into a new things. Recycling can save resources as well as energy. Our eighth question, what is composting and what are its advantages? Biodegradable waste can be used to help the environment. It can be converted into manure for plant by a process called composting. It consists by burying of waste in the soil for about 2 months. It rots and changes into manure called compost, which is excellent for plants. Paper which is made from wood can be recycled. This saves the more and trees from being cut down. Okay children, तो इस तरह से आपको सारे चैप्टर्स की बुक्स एक्सरसाइज अवेलेबल हो जाएंगी. सो फॉर गेटिंग ऑल एक्सरसाइज जस्ट फॉलो माई चैनल. थैंक यू एवरीवन.